Hi, Stevie.
Hi, Kevin.
What are we doing today?
I have no clue.
Okay, great. Let's open up the box.
What's that? Look at
Cool pose.
that. Yeah, I do like this pose. This one might be too short for this. Kevin, there's no way.
It's really hard to get it.
Through the foam?
Yeah.
This time.